Hey family, welcome back to the channel. The video haven't came out yet, but we did some sweet potatoes for Sunday dinner, and what we had left over with, we're gonna make sweet potato pies. And the queen have already did her mixture. She used the leftover sweet potatoes, sweet condensed milk, evaporated milk, butter, nutmeg, cinnamon, brown sugar, regular white sugar, and vanilla extract. And that recipe will be coming soon during our Thanksgiving series. And if you need the recipe now, you can go to either Alicia Southern Crew or the Mississippi Southern Crew, and a full video in details will be on there as far as the instructions and how long you need to bake it and what all you need to add. So once we put these in the oven and they come out, we'll bring you guys back. Okay, family. While she's in the kitchen doing the sweet potato pies, we're preparing breakfast. We have some sausage patties, some hash brown, and I'll bring you guys over to the pancakes. And yeah, she make her pancakes thick, and she have also showed a video on how she make her pancakes. And guys, when I tell y'all, like, if you can eat two of these, I'll give you $5 for real. Cause like I'm a big boy, but like one of these like put me in game, like I'm good. But when she go to flip them over, we bring back.
All of them flip right, but now that you holding this camera up, it ain't gonna flip right. Oh yeah, it did.
Guys, look at that. Look at the height. Look at the height on those pancakes. Like when I tell you, baby, and she about to re-add the butter directly on the pancakes, so you don't have to add butter once you take them off because they already be buttery down. Oh yeah.
If you're on a diet, these not for you, baby.
Y'all check out the height again. Like they super tall. We'll bring you guys back when we plate the pancakes. Well, I'm recording ya. Well, not you, but and guys, she's just pouring the batter from here into the measuring cup. Then she's pouring it in the pie crust. And the oven is at 350 degrees. And she's gonna bake them 45 minutes to 50 minutes. And when they get done, you know, we're gonna show y'all the finished look of the sweet potato pies.
Did you tell them that I pre-baked them for a little bit?
And yes, she did pre-bake them at 350 also, maybe like what, 2-3 minutes. And guys, to even distribute the batter, that's why she's pouring it in the measuring cup. That way each pie has the same amount of batter and it's even. And guys, y'all look, like if you look closely, you can see the bits of butter in there. That's just gonna give it extra flavor when that butter melt down while it's cooking. It's gonna give it that buttery flavor along with the cinnamon and nutmeg. Like yes, like when I say this lady over here make sweet potato pies like them old school women, she do that better than my grandma's sweet potato pie. But my grandma ain't gonna see that, so I can see it. But I wouldn't tell her personally to her face, cause I ain't messy like that. But I'm petty like that.
But your grandma will be glad that your future wife.
Indeed,
cooks.
indeed. Most definitely.
Don't worry about if your pie shell kind of thick. We like thick pie around here. And I'm gonna pat it down. Yeah, we don't waste nothing. And I do have extra pies filling left. So what I'm gonna do is this one. I'll get me 2 more pie shells. I'll just take this pie mixer. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. I'm going to put it in a container, an air-sealed container, put it in the refrigerator. And when I do go back out to the store, I'll get me some 2 more pie shells.
And another thing, guys, if you have batter like this left over, since you already have the eggs and everything in it, you can add a little flour and you can make sweet potato cornbread on top of the stove. And I was telling her about that too, so how would she feel? We're gonna do it like that. Either she make pie shells or I may show y'all how to do sweet potato cornbread on top of the stove. But if I do, it'll probably be around the holidays if I don't show y'all soon.
Excuse me. Okay. Now I'm just gonna knock. Y'all see the pie stuff coming out here because I did bake these for a few minutes. Y'all already know. Just hit it like this to get the rest of the air out.
Voila.
Go in the oven. I'm gonna get all this stuff cleaned up. I am going to only bake 2 at a time. And you got one of them long pans up there, please. Alright, y'all. Because when my son came here, he took my baking pan when he left. Y'all know how kids do. I'm putting this pan under there because I do not want anything to spill in this oven, even though I do clean my oven. I'm not trying to scrub anything that may fall out of here. So I'm just lining it to where I don't have to worry about that.
And once again, guys, they go in at 350 for 45 to 50 minutes, and we'll bring you guys back. Thank you for tuning in. Here's a quick look at the breakfast. We made pancakes, sausage, hash browns, and also you will see the finished look on the sweet potatoes. We just want to thank everybody for just rocking with us. Once again, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Turn on all post notifications, like and comment, and we out of here. Peace.